get a list of unique skin colors. If you want a distinct list, you can say Star Wars. And we'll pipe all these in from now on. Distinct. Distinct skin color. So fair gold, green, tan, brown, and more strange colors, but again, it's Star Wars. Uh, Now we're going to get to the common tidyverse Dplyr functions: select, filter, mutate, arrange, group by, and summarize. And these are all going to be piped in, and the columns. These are all going to. I'm going to pipe all of them in for now. Select just the name and species columns from the dataset. So select. Oh, I'm sorry. Star Wars. Pipe. Select name, comma, species. Just the name and species. Select name through species so you can do a range. So Star Wars, pipe, select name, colon species. So that's name through species columns, not the last columns. Um, you can do a selection and then another one, say, so pipe in, select uh, name through mass, and then we can add another column like home world. So just the name through mass, the home world, name, height, mass, home world. Um, you can exclude columns specifically from your selection. So 17, select all columns except vehicles and starships. So Star Wars pipe, select minus vehicles minus starships. So that's all the columns. And you see down here, there's no vehicles and starships in the extra columns. Number 18, select species first and then include all the other columns. You could select whatever you select, it goes in that order. So if you want to put species first, we'll do Star Wars by select species, then everything else is everything. No argument. So species is now the first column, and then everything comes after it. Uh, Select all the columns that start with the word birth. So Star Wars, pipe, starts with, and then in quotes, birth. And then we get the birth year column. Select all columns that end with the letter R. Okay, Star Wars, pipe, select, ends with R. Hair color, skin color, eye color, birth year, gender. So there we go. Select all columns. Select all columns. Number 21. Select all columns whose header includes the word color. So select, well, Star Wars, pipe, select, and you can say contains color. Hair color, skin color, eye color. Select columns that begin with hair or skin. Let's use a regular expression for this one. So Star Wars, pipe, select, And we use matches, pattern matching, matches the pattern in quotes, hair or skin, hat, hair, pipe for ore, skin, and close my parentheses. So hair color and skin color, select where the pattern matches hair or skin. Okay, next one is 23. Select name, species, and homeworld and sort by species. So we're going to get a new function here, sorting function. So Star Wars. And I'm going to start putting these in some GT tables for you guys. Select name, comma, species, comma, homeworld. And it's sort by species. We have to pipe that in, pipe everything in. So sort is arrange, default is ascending. So let's leave it at that. I'm going to go ahead and pipe that in and do a GT, no argument. Pipe that in, GT theme, and start showing you all some of these tables. I like Guardian. So select name, species, homeworld. Sort by species ascending with a range and display them in a nice table. So here's what I'm talking about. These tables are pretty cool looking. This is the Guardian. I'll show you some more examples as we go along. So name, species, and homeworld. Select name, species, and homeworld and sort by species and then by homeworld. So you can custom level sort. Star Wars, pipe, and we'll just copy this. And arrange by species and then homeworld. And we'll keep our table. So select name, species, homeworld, arrange by species, then homeworld. And that seemed to work. Yep, droid, Naboo, Tatooine, human, Alderaan, Bespin, Chandrilla, Concord, Dawn. So human, ABC, species, then homeworld. Select name, mass, species, and sort by mass descending. Let's copy this. Paste it in. What does it say? Name, mass, and species. So we'll take out homeworld. So name, mass, and species, sort by mass descending. So it's desk, mass, and two parentheses. Nope, not two parentheses. I'm sorry, two parentheses. So Star Wars, pipe, select name, mass, species, pipe, arranged by mass descending, pipe, and then our table. Mass descending, well, Java's way up there, and then everybody else. So that is name, mass descending, and species. Select name, homeworld, and mass, and sort by homeworld ascending and mass descending. So let's copy this one. Sort by name, homeworld, mass. Sort by homeworld ascending. So we need to add So by homeworld, comma, mass descending, the comma there. Should work. So for homeworld and mass descending, Ramus Antilles from Alderon, Leia Organa from Alderon, Bill Presto Organa, who did not have a weight, but 79.49, and Coruscant 50, and let's find Naboo 85, 82, 75, Jar Jar at 66, R2 is from Naboo at 32 kilograms. I'm going to try to keep these to around 10 minutes. That's enough for this section. This is the way.